Hello, John here, and welcome back. And right here you can get a better... Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and right here you can get a better British accent. Today I'm going to show you the way we say brand names in English. Or British English, I should really say, because I think sometimes there is a difference between US and UK English when it comes to brand names. Now, there's a couple of things that I would like to point out when we're talking about brand names. For example, if you're Italian and I say an Italian brand name in English, that's different to how you say it. I'm sorry about that, but that's how we say it in English, right? And the other thing is, there's a common accepted pronunciation of brand names. Sometimes there are like two different ways of saying some brand names, but if there are, I will point them out to you. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. I'm really looking forward to this one. Top down, most important, let's say, and probably number one in a lot of people's books is Ikea. Ikea. The next one is Levi's. Or Levi jeans, you can say. Now the next one, there are really two ways we say this brand name, and an accepted way of saying it is Nike. But also people say Nike, and apparently Nike is the most correct version. Now if you went to a British high street, you might find some of the following brand names. So we have a news agents called W.H. Smith, W.H. Smiths. The next one is Marks and Spencer, Marks and Spencers. We also have some supermarket chains, for example, Sainsbury's. We also have some perfume manufacturers like Chanel and some DIY stores. But the one you might know, the international French name, and this often makes people laugh when I say this, but I could say, I'm going to Leroy Merlin. Yes, you heard correctly, I did say Leroy Merlin. And of course, Carrefour. And I'll also give you two food-related brand names. Probably my all-time favourite word to pronounce is Worcestershire sauce. That's right, it's not Worcestershire, it's Worcestershire sauce. And it's not even Worcester sauce. My favourite. This is very popular in the UK and it's called Marmite. Marmite. Now I think in Australia they have Vegemite, the equivalent of, but it is, I can just show you inside, watch this. It is very dark, in fact it's like dark brown or even black, and you basically, and it smells delicious, and you put it on bread or toast, and it's got a really nice deep, rich taste to it, and it's called Marmite. We can do some car names like Mercedes, Mercedes. We've also got Lamborghini, and of course Ferrari. Now there's also some computer related brand names. We say Microsoft, we say Adobe, Apple, that's easy. And some more sports brands like Adidas, Puma. So you see, I just wonder how different these are in your language. I'd love to know. Please comment below if the pronunciation is different in your language than it is, or the way you say it is different to the way I say it. Because of course I'm saying it in English in a British pronunciation way. Okay? Please subscribe to the channel, remember, because I often have updates of pronunciation and accent videos, and really the community is growing now and I'd love you to be part of it. So that is that. Bye. Bye bye.